Former President Trump and his 18 co-defendants have now all turned themselves in to face charges in the Georgia 2020 election case. Their deadline was today at noon. All but one are out on bond. Harrison Floyd, the former director of the group Black Voices for Trump, will remain locked up until he appears in court for a bond hearing.
Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis has said she wants to try all 19 co-defendants at the same time. However, a legal maneuver by one of the defendants could interfere. Tarek's here now. Tarek, you spoke with legal experts about this motion for a speedy trial.
There's a lot going on behind the scenes. The former president's campaign attorney, Kenneth Chesebro, surrendered in Fulton County earlier this week. His request means that he is scheduled to go to trial in less than 2 months for a speedy trial. Now, if that trial doesn't start by November 3rd, Chesebro could be acquitted of all the charges under Georgia law. A lawyer I spoke with, not associated with the case, says this move could create problems, though, for the prosecution. Kenneth Chesebro, an attorney who's accused of orchestrating a scheme to send false electors to Congress for President Trump, was one of the first to surrender in Fulton County and now one of the first to go to court on RICO charges. His lawyers demanding a speedy trial, which, according to legal experts, could result in big risks for the prosecution.
It's really interesting. Did this defendant do this for himself, or did he do it for everybody? Because imagine if he goes through a trial and he gets a not guilty, and how every defendant afterwards is going to use that. He could absolutely be the test case.
Lawyer G. Nichols says prosecutors with District Attorney Fani Willis's office will have to lay out all the evidence in their case months before Trump would go to trial, essentially tipping their hand to what their legal arguments and strategy will be. Nichols says Chesebro's October trial, which may be televised live, also has the potential to taint potential jurors in Trump's and the remaining 17 co-defendants' trials.
Can you imagine how difficult it's going to be in the state of Georgia in picking a jury for the next one and the next one and the next one if the first jury comes back and says not guilty?
Nichols says on the flip side, if Chesebro is found guilty, defense lawyers for the other defendants will face the real fear that Trump and his co-defendants could suffer the same fate. Nichols says the calls for a speedy trial could also result in additional grounds for an appeal.
It does create the absolute possibility that this trial will not be cleanly tried. And if it doesn't get cleanly tried and he gets convicted, then I'm sure there will be appellate issues to be addressed. But again, let's not forget, if he's found not guilty, what does that do?
Nichols says there also remains the possibility that one or more of the co-defendants charged in this case could cooperate with the prosecution and testify against Trump in exchange for leniency from the court. Trump lawyer Kenneth Chesebro's trial is scheduled to start on October the 23rd.